Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Surfshark VPN for browser protection. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Surfshark website. Click on the Get Surfshark button. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Create your account by entering your email and choosing a password. Proceed to enter your payment details and complete the purchase. After purchasing, go to the Apps section. Find the browser extension options. Choose the appropriate extension for your browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Click on the link to the extension store. Once directed, click the Add to Browser or Install button. Follow any additional prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, you'll see the Surfshark icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the Surfshark icon to open the extension. Log in with the account credentials you set up earlier. After logging in, choose the server location you prefer. Connect to the VPN by clicking the Connect button. Once connected, the Surfshark icon will indicate that you are protected. You can now browse the internet securely with Surfshark VPN. Adjust any settings as needed within the extension for your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.